Welcome to Power Drive, where we bring you the most unique and fascinating rides from around the world. Today, we have something truly special and absolute head-turner on the streets of the 2025 full Tandoor rickshaw. This is not just any rickshaw, it's a perfect blend of tradition and modern engineering, bringing functionality and style together in a way you've never seen before. At first glance, the exterior of this beast demands attention. The body is crafted with a bold and striking design, featuring a fusion of classic rickshaw aesthetics with futuristic elements. The front grille is detailed with intricate artwork, paying homage to the rich cultural heritage that inspires this masterpiece. The vibrant color scheme is not just for looks up, it enhances visibility and adds to the unique identity of this ride. The wheels are fitted with high-performance all-weather tires, ensuring stability on every kind of road, from smooth highways to rugged city streets. Under the hood, the 2025 full Tandoor rickshaw packs a powerful yet efficient engine that is built for performance. Whether it's a petrol, electric, or hybrid model, it offers seamless acceleration and remarkable fuel efficiency. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing bumps and shocks effortlessly. The exhaust system has been optimized for minimal emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice for urban transportation. The aerodynamic design plays a significant role in enhancing both speed and efficiency, ensuring that this rickshaw isn't just about looks but also about performance. Now let's step inside the interior of the 2025 full Tandoor rickshaw is where things get even more exciting. As you enter, the spacious cabin immediately stands out, offering maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. The seats are wrapped in premium upholstery, ensuring a plush and relaxing experience. The ambient LED lighting enhances the overall vibe, creating a soothing atmosphere even during night rides. The dashboard is packed with modern features, including a digital display, GPS navigation, and a state-of-the-art sound system for entertainment on the go. The temperature-controlled cabin makes it a perfect ride for all seasons, with built-in cooling and heating options. Safety is a top priority, and this rickshaw does not disappoint. It comes equipped with smart braking technology, anti-slip footrests, and reinforced side panels for maximum protection. The integrated rear camera and proximity sensors make parking and maneuvering through tight spaces easier than ever. Plus, with biometric start and a digital locking system, security is taken to the next level, ensuring peace of mind for the owner. Overall, the 2025 full Tandoor rickshaw is more than just a mode of transport, it's a statement. It represents the evolution of rickshaws into the future while staying true to their cultural roots. Whether you're a rickshaw enthusiast, a daily commuter, or just someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, this is a ride that demands respect. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Power Drive for more amazing content. See you in the next one.